What's going on, guys? Today we are in this Honda Odyssey, and today I will be showing you how to replace the bulb that's behind the gear shifter here. So once we get this trim off, it's actually very easy to replace a bulb. We just twist it right here and the bulb pops out. But let me show you from the beginning how to remove this trim and access this bulb. Alright guys, so with your car off, we are going to take a flathead screwdriver, and it is a good idea to wrap some tape around the top of this just so it doesn't scratch any of the trim pieces. Mine fell off and I actually don't have any more tape, so go figure. But we're going to pry up from the bottom right here in this corner. This is where one of the clips are holding in this trim piece, and I highly suggest going from the bottom. This way, if you do scratch anything, you know, it's harder to see on the bottom down here. No one's going to stick their head down there, really. So we stick our flathead screwdriver in there. Just pry up a little bit. And then pop that trim piece up. Once this trim piece is loose, we're just going to run our fingers around this, popping up any additional clips. And there we go. This trim piece, we slide it right over the gear shifter. Don't pull too hard on it. We do have the connector for the push to start. We're gonna unclip this by pushing this pin, this connector in, and then pulling away from the wire. That will remove the entire trim piece. Now, this is our gear shifter here. The bulb is located right down here. There'll be a yellow wire connecting to the bulb. Oh, right there. So not this one here, but this one. We just simply twist this bulb. That bulb right there, we twist it counterclockwise. Now this bulb is just looped around here. So as you can see there, the wire, if we just pull it right above this clip, we get much better access right here. Simply take your fingers. Now you should be wearing gloves to replace these bulbs because the oils will reduce the lifespan of the bulb. We simply just pull right up on the bulb. There it is. We grab a new one. This one is still good. And we just simply put it right back on there. Once our bulb is back in there, we can simply just put this right back in to the hole here and twist it back into place. And then to tidy things up, we just take this wire, loop it around this clip, and that way that wire is not hanging all over the place. Now we simply retake our trim piece, place it over the gear shifter again, and remember to plug in that connector. So I'm going to plug it right back in. It just simply just clips right back into here. There we go. And then before you even reinstall this whole entire piece, which all we do is push it back into place, I'm just going to turn the car on, make sure the light actually works. It's a little bit hard to see in the daylight here, but confirm the light works, and then we just push this trim right back into place. So we just sit it over, pop the pieces back in there, and you are good to go. So if you guys found the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up, guys. I will leave a link in the description for the parts. As always, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, leave your comments down below, let me know if this video helped you, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing because it does keep me motivated to keep on posting these videos. So see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.